This is Glasgow Green, this public park, October 15th, 2024. This is such a cycle-friendly city. I'm staying down by the River Clyde on this trip. Typically I stay further inland, and Glasgow's fairly flat, especially compared to Edinburgh, but you're either down by the river where it's flat or you're up inland, and there are some hills, but it's just one big hill and then everything's flat again. So my first time in Glasgow Green, and I just had two cyclists go by me looking like they were going to work. Lots of bridges down here, just beautiful.